Today we're in the Beverly Morgan Park neighborhood on the south side of Chicago. Morgan Park Academy is just down the street and the original location of the Beverly Arts Center just beyond that. This home was built for two siblings alongside the house next door. Their father lived on the other side. Apparently, they didn't want these houses and they never even moved in. So that's a little neighborhood lore. But that's why it has this shared driveway with twin garages across from each other at the end of it. This home has 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths and a huge unfinished basement waiting for your potential. The current homeowners have loved this home for nearly 6 decades, and they've maintained it beautifully. There are new windows, a new roof, lots of maintenance items have been taken care of. Under the carpeting, you'll find the original hardwood floors from when the home was built. That's everywhere except the back bedroom and the kitchen. The basement holds tons of potential for more living space, as does the attic. For a private tour of this home or any other, give me a call, shoot me a message. I'm Ruth Sheehan with the Ruth Sheehan team, and I'll see you on the next video.